Hello. So, after recording the last episode, I realized I accidentally used my custom mod loader as a reference. It wouldn't have mattered anyways, as I wouldn't have done a tutorial on any of the custom methods that I had added. I only added one or two. Excuse me. So, we are here. We are in Visual Studio. We have our project kind of set up. And we are ready to program. So, why don't we start doing that, as that would be, best. Alright, using. Using just means that we're using that class as, it's like importing, if you have any Java knowledge. You want to use Unity Engine, and you want to also use Command Handler. Don't use mod loader. If you do using mod loader, half of the really good stuff that will help you with a bunch of really cool stuff, like damaging players, healing players, giving players food, that will not pop up in, like, you know how it gives little suggestions sometimes? That's how IDEs and programming environments work. They'll give suggestions. It won't give that as a suggestion, so you need to be able to see it so that you can use it. We'll get more into that later. For now, we're just gonna make a command that says hello world to you, so it's gonna be pretty easy. Now, you want to do :mono behavior. Now, I'm not too sure why you have to, but I can only guess because mono develop is the compiler, the programming software that Unity uses to program their C#, so that's what I guess, at least. So, you have mono behavior. Now you want to do public, God, sorry, I just woke up. Public void update. Well, no, you usually want to do just start public void start, and this is what it'll do when it starts. So we're gonna initialize all our commands and stuff right there when the game starts. And then you want to do public void update. This is called every game update, every tick, I guess you could call it, if you're used to Minecraft, or every update cycle. Public void on GUI. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this gets called every frame. So that's why if you want to update something, you want to do it in the update, because that's every game refresh rate. So it's going to be steady. Frames or frames may drop. Not sure if that's actually it. I don't use on GUI, but if I do figure out a good use for it, I'll show you how to use it. Well, so now all we need to do is add our command. It's not hard to add a command. It is very simple, so I will go ahead and show you now. You want to do command list dot add, make a new instance of a command, and you have your command delegate method, which is basically just a method that it'll call once a player types in the command. And then you also have your permission level. We're gonna set it to 0, which is basically the default for every single player, because you don't need excuse me, you don't need a permission level to do this. All it's gonna do is tell you hello world. So, and then we're gonna call the method hello world, and we're gonna call the command, we'll just say hello. So all you do is you type in /hello, and it will do that. Now you want to do this, that, this would be much easier, yeah, whatever, okay, I'll just make the method myself. Private void hello world, yay, probably fix that, world, and you'll notice that it gives you an error here because you need to actually do something. You need to make the command args. So args. There we go. Now that should work. This is what it will do, this method right here. It'll call this method once a player types in this command. So if we go ahead and say it is, now I'll tell you what this does, but reference dot tell args dot sender dot network player world. Oh, there. Right. So what this is doing, this is basically saying, this is probably the third time I've said this. When the player types in this command, it's gonna say, hey, yo, this player typed in this, you need to go here, and then do whatever is inside this. So it's like, alright, main, I'll go ahead and do that, and it goes, okay, so what does it want me to do? It wants me to tell the network player, which is basically just the player, that's the sender's network player, it's just player, tell the player, hey, hello world, man, hello world, and that is what it will do. So if we go ahead and build this, we shouldn't get any issues. Alright, so we built it successfully, and I'm going to have to sorry, yeah, I'm going to have to record the footage separately, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, it should do that. So, yep, go ahead and install it. All you need to do is go local disk, this, this, that. Go into server mods. At least I use server mods. And then you want to just go into that. And go back and go into, where is it? It should be tutorial, bin, debug. Take this tutorial.dll, control C, and paste it in there, and the game will start up and you'll have your mod. So I will go ahead and record that footage now, as for some reason I can't switch to Unturned. It won't let me. So yeah, I'll put the footage at the end, but for now, thanks for watching. If you want more videos, just subscribe. I'll be putting these videos out probably almost more than daily, so yeah, maybe 2 a day or something. I'm gonna try to make it through as quick to the series as I can. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.